Hi friends, good morning to all.
Good morning.
Good morning friends. So just I want to talk few minutes before hand over to your original trainer. Okay, of course, he's my brother only, Babu sir. Let me talk few minutes about what is AI. Just a general awareness I want to provide for you people. Okay. Sir, do you know Corona, which disturbed our lives like anything? Correct, right? Ayo, respond. Don't be silent. If you are not responding, I can't continue.
Yes, sir.
The Corona disturbed our lives. Anything, do you know? Every day. So what kind of news we have to heard? Such a type of worst days. Those days, what we call black days, blind. We should not. We don't want to listen again that word Corona. Okay, that much dangerous. What we face it, right? Correct, right? Okay. So before Corona, after Corona, there is a big change in our lives. Yes, sir. Some people after Corona, okay, online, offline classes are not there, only online sessions. The people are not interested for offline sessions. Something like every day, the people, whenever they are talking, they are always using the word before and after, something like. Correct, right? Yes, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
definitely.
Yes.
The same terminology you people are going to use for artificial intelligence also. AI also. Yes, sir. But Corona and AI, which is the most dangerous thing, is not dangerous, maybe useful also, positive AI is also there, negative AI is also there. But definitely this AI is also the same, like that much strengthened word, that much valuable, that much important word in our life should be AI, sir. Sir, before AI, after AI, compulsory there should be some differences should be there. Okay, if you people are not enabled AI, okay, if you go to the yesterday I went there, some Bajaj electronics. There, for every electronic item, there is one caption is there named with AI enabled. There is a caption is there named with AI enabled like. Do you know? So for washing machine, AI enabled. For next AC, AI enabled. Are for every electronic item, AI enabled by default there. Uh, can you please mute all the people? Mute yourself. Okay, just matter of 1 minute, please. Yeah. Okay, this is. So just in day to day, where I'm using this AI, just a few minutes. Yeah, yeah. Can you please mute, or otherwise there is one option is there. Let me mute everyone. Can you please mute yourself? Yeah. Can I? Yeah, yeah. Yes. Okay. So let me start. Let me talk. In day-to-day activities, where we use AI, especially just I use AI where just I want to share few minutes experience for you people so that the reason, the main discussion of these few minutes of discussion is just you have to get the idea. You have to get where this AI importance you have to realize, you have to get. That's my main intention, right? Just in the last few months before, 2 months or 3 months before, I visited Jaipur in Rajasthan. There is a place named with Jaipur. Just evening at 7 o'clock, we went there. Just in the car, we are there. Just I want, I don't know anything about Jaipur because this is the first time I visited Jaipur. Then, what are various best places to visit in Jaipur? Only 2 hours time I had. Then, what we have to do? We have to make a phone call to my friend asking, Array, can you please, what are various important places are there? So how much far, how to go, these kind of things I have to ask. Okay, I require to ask the friend and so on earlier. This is our earlier story, or otherwise open the Google and just checking this type of thing. But what I did is just I open ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. ChatGPT, I have only 2 minutes time, 2 hours time. Within 2 hours, night view. I want to visit. I want to go for night tour for 2 hours Jaipur to cover important places. Can you please tell me? Can you please provide the roadmap for this and which places? What order I have to visit? Like matter of just 10 to 20 seconds, including Google Map locations, it's provided a tour. You require to start from here. This is the first place you require to visit. This is the second place you require to visit. This is the third place you require to visit. And then at sir 9:30 or 10 o'clock, you have to reach your hotel so that you will get sir all almost all best places in Jaipur in the night view. You people are going to see. Okay, like just a matter of 20 seconds, it's provided. Then immediately I followed that route map. Yes, really, I felt like anything. Arey, ChatGPT is this much helpful for me. Like this is my personal experience, friends. How beautiful. Okay, don't feel ChatGPT or don't feel this AI is the part of technical. No, it is part of our life. It is part of our personal life. Array Durga sir should be AI enabled. Or Babu sir should be AI enabled. Or okay, like Ananda should be AI enabled. Everyone in this session, everyone compulsory should be AI enabled. If you are not AI enabled person, then you are going to miss something in your life. Yes, I'm sure you will be outdated. You will get out n number of opportunities you are going to miss. Your growth by default will be gone, I'm sure. Compulsory enable must be required for you also. Okay, just one example I told. Next, another example for you people. Flight tickets are just usually we are traveling from one place to another place. So just we check for multiple sites, sky scanner, like multiple flight related, flight booking related sites we will check where we will get the best and so on. Like, but in ChatGPT, I asked ChatGPT, I require to travel from Hyderabad to New York. Can you please guide best days to book? Next, what strategy I require to apply? to get the tickets at lowest price. Can you please guide like I gave the prompt. Then automatically whatever steps ChatGPT provided I followed, do you know there is a huge difference in my tickets cost. Yes, there is a huge difference in my cost of the tickets. Sir, you require to book the tickets so and so days only. You require to better to plan your travel so and so date. Those days are not busy days. Okay, some Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, those days are not busy days. Those days you will get at low cost. Next and after that, these many days before, better to do. Next, while ticket booking also, you have to book the ticket in mid of the night, so on so time. Okay, at that time, the offers by default will be there. Like it provides the strategy. Then I followed that strategy. There is a big difference is there in my flight tickets. Have you observed, right? Yes, friends. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, better to use AI for your day-to-day life. Don't feel that AI itself is nothing but something like it is related to my job, it's related to my technical thing. Yeah, don't do like this. Okay, it's a part of your life. If the person without AI, with AI, there is a huge difference is there. I'm sure, believe me, sir. Okay, like next, my kid asked. Usually, my kid is at the time of sleeping. My kid is there with me. My kid asked. Whenever I'm asking some question in the chat GPT observed, then Baba, can you please give the mobile like I have one question to the chat GPT like. Then okay, what he asked is my kid Namshu, his name is Namshu. He asked how to Dumma for the school. Yeah, my kid is asked the question how to Dumma for the school. Okay, then immediately, do you know ChatGPT what it told? What answer it provided is okay. Skipping school. Okay, I mean Dumma to the school is not at all recommended. Okay, if you are facing any problem, please talk with your parents or otherwise to the teacher. Okay, don't Dumma to the school. It's not a good programming practice. Okay, like ChatGPT told. Have you observed? It is thinking ethically also. Okay, then immediately my kid used the word, you stupid. Like, then what is the response from the ChatGPT? Do you know? ChatGPT is telling, you should not use the word stupid for any person. Okay, it's not at all a good word. This is the statement that ChatGPT provided. How beautiful. Are you getting? Even these AIs in ethical way also. It's too good, right? Yes, friends. Are you getting the point? So my kid started using ChatGPT. Okay. Next yesterday, just yesterday only, there is some what I call a different type of fish. Sunday, right? Sunday non-veg mandatory in my house. Without non-veg we can't. Okay, like there is some new kind of fish came. Then my wife having the doubt how to cook this one. Okay, like then open the ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Just we took the photo of this and we send it to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT. We asked, in what way, best way can you please explain how to cook this fish? Like then it started telling, do so and so, do so and so, do so and so. Yeah, full tasty fish curry ready. Full tasty fish curry ready. Then by seeing all these things, I asked one question to the chat GPT. Yeah, just for fun. But anyway, this is the same question I asked. Hey, chat GPT, without my wife, I can stay. But without chat GPT, I can't stay. What I have to do? Like, have you observed? Without my wife, I can stay. But without ChatGPT, I can't stay. What I have to do? Like, then immediately ChatGPT just smiled and what response it provided, do you know? For your personal growth, personal relation, wife is mandatory. But for your professional growth, myself is required. Okay? So, both are important in your life. Don't neglect one. So, this not only ChatGPT, every AI tool should be part of our life. compulsory, so that we are going to get a number of benefit. Yes, our growth, career growth by default will be there if you start using AI. Getting right? Assume that printer is there. Best example, printer example is there. Printer is there. Before printer, everyone should require to write. Okay, once printer came, then what benefit we are getting? Xerox machine came, what benefit we are getting? Computers came, what benefit we are getting? We are all enjoying the benefits of these. UPI transactions, what benefit we are getting? ATM cards, what benefit we are getting? The same way, AI is not for technical, is AI for everyone. If you are not enabled, if you are not start using AI, then definitely you are going to miss something in your life. Yes, AI enabled person, AI, the person who don't know AI, the person who knows AI, there's a big difference is there in his career growth. That's about my intention. There's a beautiful AI tools are available, sir, for images, videos, for your day-to-day activities, to make your learning easy, mind maps creation and so on. A number of tools are available, right? Okay, just these are all my examples what I told. Just very recently I saw in newspaper somewhere, okay, or in what we call channels in the news, the widely spreaded news. In Karnataka, do you know there is some North Indian went to the Karnataka. He required to travel in the auto. I hope in the it's a viral news only. He required to travel in the auto. Auto wala asked some 100 rupees. He want to bargain, but this person passenger don't know Kannada, don't know Kannada, but that auto wala don't know Hindi. There is a language barrier. Then what that person did is, do you know? Yeah. Have you heard about this one? What that person did is, open the ChatGPT. ChatGPT. So my auto wala is asking about 100 rupees, but he don't know Hindi. He know only Kannada. Can you please ask him to convince at 60 rupees? Like, then immediately ChatGPT had a talk with that person. Okay, talk with that person means in the mobile. Okay, ChatGPT, talk with that person in Kannada. Boss, this person can pay up to 60 only. Can you please accept like? Then he used ChatGPT for auto bargaining of auto fare. Yes, man. Anyone heard about this news? Ayo, respond. Don't be silent. Compulsory you have to. Emojis are there. Some to react. There are several emojis are available. Chat window is available. Please respond. Don't be silent, man. Good, good. Starts coming emojis. Respond. Have you heard about this news, right? Correct? Oh, okay. Well, perfect. Now, there is one more. Ram Gopal Verma next movie. How many people aware? Do you know there is no music director? Background music, all songs should be delivered by AI only. At least have you heard about this? Ram Gopal Verma now AI enabled person. He won't require Rahman. He won't require any music director for background music or for songs. He is using AI tool for generation of complete music. How beautiful to listen. How cost cutting. There is one Kannada movie. Yes, just is in progress or otherwise maybe released. I'm not sure. Kannada movie. Have you heard about this? One complete Kannada movie is fully in AI only. All characters are AI created. All locations are AI created. Anyone heard about this news? Yes, no. Have you heard about this? No. Good. There are multiple people. Yeah. There is one more point I want to explain. There is one lady. Maybe I'm not sure exact location. Maybe from Mumbai or otherwise from abroad. Maybe from the US somewhere. She had debts. Debts means okay, loans. She had okay, personal loans or from his friends, debts, borrowing the money and so on. She is not in a position to manage financials properly. Okay, almost around 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs debts happen. She's struggling like anything. She's facing very financial problem. What that lady did is, that lady bank statement, all her expenses, everything provided to the ChatGPT. Everything provided to the ChatGPT. Then what the ChatGPT did is, ChatGPT analyzed all these things. She asked, act as a financial advisor, can you please guide me the way to clear these debts? Like that lady asked the ChatGPT, then automatically ChatGPT analyzed all these reports, and ChatGPT told, can you please delete this as expense? Can you please so overcome? Don't do this expense. If you can avoid this expense, this much amount you are going to save and so on. Like the ChatGPT started providing options. Then blindly she followed. Just a matter of couple of months, almost half of the debts got cleared. At least have you heard about this news? Ayyo, you people are very silent, dumb it seems. Have you heard about this news? Good. Yes, friends. Next, one more thing I want to tell. In the Saudi Arabia, first AI-enabled hospital already started. No doctor, only AI robots, only AI agents. Okay, a patient is coming, then yeah, that AI robot is going to listen what the patient problem, and if any extra information is required, AI robot is going to ask the question, then automatically it is going to analyze all the things. So for you, so and so problem, can you please for you so and so problem is there, can you please use this medicine like sir, this complete AI enabled hospital already started in Saudi, but for the namesake, there is one doctor will be there at last to cross check that, but his role is very nominal, 0.0001% of the role only. The total activity is going to be done by AI, sir. Okay, like already entered in the hospital, one AI enabled hospital came to the picture. Remember this example also, right? Okay. Next, there is very dangerous example I will tell. The people who are in software, the people who are in techie people, very dangerous example in Chennai. This is happened. Do you know? Yeah, I told right, before AI, after AI, there is a lot of difference is there in our lives. Remember carefully. Okay, AI is that much dangerous, that much helpful. Both the things are there. In Chennai, one software company people, how beautiful they use the AI, man. You people may aware. In the office, what happened is, uh, employees are going to sit in the chair and doing the activity. Okay, means coding and so on, right? They use the AI tools to track movements of the employee. Okay, how much time this person is serious in the system, how much time this person is in relaxing mode, how much time is not sitting in the chair, is going to the pantry or restroom and so on. That AI tool analyzed end of the month, it provided only these people are productive people in your company. The remaining people are not that much productive. Can you please send out? It is tracking our body movements. How much serious about our work? AI tool started giving the report, man. Have you heard about this news at least? Yes? No? No, na? Are you? Why you people are silent? Respond. You are human beings, man. Have you heard about this news? Correct, right? Yeah. This is so obviously with these example, I hope you people can aware. Okay, what is the role of AI in our life? Without AI, single second also we can't move further in the future. Compulsory, better to be hurry, better to learn AI and be a bit advanced when compared with the remaining people. So for these to learn AI, you are just like a consumer, you have to learn. You are not required to how to write the code and so on. You are not required to worry how to use. That's all. For that, no coding is required. Zero coding. Just if you are human being having minimum intelligence, then that thing is enough to use AI. Okay, multiple thousands of AI tools are coming day to day. At least a few tools you require to familiar. Then tomorrow, if any new tool is coming, you are in a position to adapt that tool. AI is going to simplify our lives. I'm sure, Array, I don't know about this. Now I'm feeling more comfortable. Like definitely after learning every AI tool, your feeling is like this only. Okay? Remember, are you ready to learn AI? Yes, friends. I didn't touch any AI tool because that's not my job. Okay, my brother Babu sir is going to take care about how to use that AI, what tools he is going to cover. Just believe me, after these 20 days, you people are going to tell, okay, sir, yes, we learned. Now I am the AI enabled. Okay, you require to use that word. Be ready for that. Okay, otherwise, you will you will outdated, you will send out from everywhere. AI compulsory you should enable. Okay, all the best. Now I'm handovering to Babu sir. Okay, he's going to take care the rest of the session. Okay, man, be ready.
Hey, good morning, friends. So, good morning, AI champions. So, super, sir. So, so Durga sir, not only Java God, so he is brand for any technology, right? So awesome. So, it's a very good elevator pitch on AI. So, I think chart is not enabled, sir. If you check if it is possible to enable chart for everyone, it will be good. I think we have a communication. Can anyone respond here in the chart? Can you able to message here? Okay, done. Great, great. Fine. So yeah. So you guys, so who all are using AI now? Who all are using AI? Can you type here in the chat box? Okay, Vishnu Reddy using Venkatesh. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So we know I'll start with the very basic first one quote here. I think everyone aware of this. Elon Musk. Elon Musk said that artificial intelligence (AI) won't take your job, but the person who knows how to use it will. Right now, if you see in software industry nowadays, there is a lot of news. Right, there is a lot of discussions. So no jobs for softwares, no jobs not only for software environment, not only software industry, almost all the industries, you name it, any industry like pharma industry, transport industry, software industry, or tourism, or whatever the industries, you name it, everywhere AI is involving now, right? But it is very clear it's not about losing the job or losing the job, like any industry. It's about the person don't know about AI. Only those people get the problem. Is that clear or not clear? So I know, yeah, I see here many people are using ChatGPT. We'll discuss multiple tools here, how to use. So a lot of use cases Durgas are explained now, right? Wherever you go, day to day, We keep on see that AI everywhere. Nowadays, like even if you want to purchase any mobile also coming with AI features. Right? It is not for only software developers. It is for everyone. Every person is required to understand AI. It's not about the coding. It's not about the coding. It's about the knowledge. How we can use AI. Now, Sir said actually before Corona, after Corona, right? I'll give you one more example. I hope everyone watched Bahubali movie, right? Yes or no? Anyone not watched Bahubali here? It's a Bahubali movie. Yes. Can you type here in the chat? Bahubali. Yes. So everyone watched. If you see here, Bahubali movie, everyone says in India, before Bahubali, after Bahubali in India cinema. Why? Before Bahubali, lot of movies, it only releases in local languages or maybe local. For example, India, in Telugu, if you take, only in Telugu language, scope is less, visual effects less. All before Bahubali, whatever the directors or producers, they have a limitations. They released everything like movies in their own local languages. But after Bahubali, if you observe now, every film, it's a pan-India film now. So you name it like recently Pushpa or whatever names you see. Every movie it is coming with benchmarks now. It is globally releasing, right? One movie, it changed the entire film industry. Thoughts and then even everything, right? So that is simply like we can say Bahubali did not just make history, it redefined India cinema feature. The same thing now AI. Before learning AI, or for example, if you are not using AI, and then how much time you take to, for example, just tell me this, everyone, I'm not sure which platforms you are from, but we will discuss that later slowly. If you want to write email, professional email, without using any AI tool, how much time for us it will take? Let's say you are actually communicating to the client, you are not available at this moment for meeting, you are in some other issue. You want to write email saying that I'll not be available. It's not simple way to just, you're not CEO, right? If it is a CEO, they'll write mails like, without subject, without any hi, nothing. Because they are busy people, they may write mail, they may reply mail. Yes. They may write mail from airport. They're busy people. They'll write mails from different location. They'll travel, right? But for us, not like that. We should write professional mail response. So if you're not using any AI tool to write your email, how much time it is taking? Just think about that. I'm not saying we cannot write, we can write it, but how more efficient you can write? How much time it will take to write that email? Let's say, for example, you are actually trying to attend some interview. And then every interview, no matter how many years of experience you are a student or you are a 10 years experienced person or you are even whatever the position you are in. The first question in interview, they ask, introduce yourself. It's not about English language. It's not about how you communicate. It's about how you explain them about yourself. So if you explain about yourself in 1 minute in elevator pitch, using elevator pitch, that 1 minute will decide that the next complete interview. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just text me here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just text me here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just text me here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just text me here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just text me here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just text me here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Just text me here. 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 You guys are with me? So that 1 minute preparation, it's not just telling like, okay, your name and then, okay, I have 10 years experience on this technology. No, right? You should know proper introduction, how we can introduce. Now, let's say, for example, assume this, you are actually, applying a job and then you got interview, you actually got an interview schedule. And then think this, maybe if you explained like 20% 20 years of experience person in one industry, 20 years of experience person, how he explains that introduction about ourselves. The same similar way, if you explain how it works, can we write like that? Means can we get that knowledge from somewhere? Where we will get that knowledge? If you search in Google, you'll not get that much of knowledge actually. So Google is what? It will search for different resources and then you can go to that website, maybe you'll get it. But it takes time and we'll get sometimes bored. Now it's almost Google search. I'm not talking about Google company. Google search usage almost 40 to 50% down now. No one using technical people. No one using. Everyone changed to AI tools. So not only this, all actually correct, Venkat. Yeah, all using ChatGPT now. So not only ChatGPT, there are a lot of tools actually. So ChatGPT, for example, if you ask something like security related or something, smooth information, it will not handle. It's very strict and it will not get that information. But there are a lot of other tools you'll get it. We will discuss. So everywhere, if you are using AI, either you are doing job or you are doing something business or maybe you are learning something, your productivity immediately 10x will be high. Means you are doing something, you are learning some chapter, you are learning something, assume you are learning now DevOps or cloud computing. And if you feel that technology is difficult, and with the help of AI, you can learn that same thing with less time, easy way. I'll tell you how. We'll discuss these all things. So that is the reason here. It is very clear. Every company CEOs, if you name it any top companies, everyone saying the same thing. It is not, AI is not replacing the jobs. It won't take your job. But the person who don't aware of AI, how to use and how to implement their day-to-day life, or in the software industry, if you're not aware how to use that, then you have a problem. It is for sure, period. It's not my words, it's not Durga sir words, it is every company CEO, top level CEOs telling the same. And now, do you think it is required coding knowledge to learn this? We're not talking about how machine learning is working, how deep learning is working, how generative AI is working, the backend, is it required Python? You need to understand LLMs, GPTs. There are two different areas here. The AI tools for everyone in the world, everyone, like how we are using Google Pay, how we are using Phone Pay, similar way, everyone actually required the knowledge AI tools because it will be crazy maybe in coming 5 years. You can see that each and every area it will touch, each and every person at least should get some knowledge in this AI. I'm not talking about coding again, I'm saying the same thing. It's about how we are using this, how we are utilizing these AI tools our day-to-day life. So Sir explained multiple examples. So the Bajaj, he went to Bajaj showroom, and then he observed everything. It's, with AI feature. If you want to purchase air cooler or something, if you want to purchase something, washing machine, everywhere AI enabled now. So even home housewives, they should aware of it, AI, how to use, how to, otherwise it's difficult now, right? But do you think it is coding? No, they're not using anywhere coding here. It's an end user perspective how we are using it. So that is the exactly we are going to cover in this batch. I am 100% sure if you commit, if you attend all the sessions, I am 100% sure in your day-to-day life or in your day-to-day work, you'll get really 10x faster. That is for sure. I'll show you some examples now just for demo purpose. I want to create some presentation. So if you want to create some presentation, generally how much time it is required? Any presentation, how much time you take to create some presentation? Anyone here? Just ping me in the chat. 30 minutes, Venkat. Okay. How about others? Please respond. Please respond. It's an interaction session. So we are actually learning our, the trending technology, right? Yeah. Okay. Yogesh said 1 hour. How about others? Nikhil, 30 minutes. Okay. How about others? Abhijit, 2 hours. Oh, Viswa, 20 minutes. Great. You have good skill in presentation, how to create it. Venkatesh, 1 hour. So see here, minimum time 20 minutes and a maximum 2 hours I observed here, right? With the, if you want to present some presentation. What if I tell you, you can complete that presentation in 5 minutes? What happened if I complete in 5 minutes? It's a really superb, right? That is possible now with AI. I'll show you some small presentation. You tell me what topic you want. You tell me. I'm not using my already prepared content. Everything, every session, I'll ask you guys, you tell me, and then we will do based on that. Everything will be like that. You tell me what topic you want. We'll create that. Tell me any one topic. Okay, make a topic on AI. So something dashboard testing automation. Okay, make a topic on AI because we're learning AI now. I'm sharing my screen again. I'm just asking one prompt here. One prompt, just plain text prompt I'm asking. What is actually my requirement? I want to just generate one presentation on AI. I'm not going with the deep dive now. Very basic level I'm giving, but we will see in our batch end to end with advanced level. It's very basic for the demo now. I'm trying to create one presentation for AI. So let me take maybe like, for example, I want to present for 1 hour. Maybe I want to create 10 pages PPT now. See, I'm creating something like here. Create a presentation or PPT to explain, okay, to explain basic understanding of AI. So even if you type typo, it will give you, okay, no problem, AI. And see, I'm not giving, see, even if you want to write your signature in every page, if you want to add something like, logo, everything we can do, but I'm just giving very small, very, very basic level now. Create a PP to explain basic understanding of AI. I want to go with only 8 pages of PPT. Just I'm trying to generate outline. See how much time it takes. See, I'm not doing anything. AI is generating for me now. I'm not doing anything here. Okay, AI is generating for me. And then okay, I just see that okay, this 8 pages, fine. And then what I want to do, I want to now create this original PPT. I'm generating it. See in front of you, it will generate now 8 pages of PPT. See this. See this. Mind blowing, right? Just type in the chat box. Just MB, mind blowing. Just type in the chat box MB. Mind blowing. See how much time it is taking now. So see, I'm not only depending on AI content. We can also change that. We will see how to change and how to modify everything based on your requirements. See, this is the content now it prepared. Artificial intelligence, a basic understanding it provided already. See the next page here. What is AI? See the images, how good it is, right? It's very professional way created. How does AI works? Data collection, algorithm process, learning and adoption. Types of AI, narrow to super intelligence. See, we know this, right? AGI and narrow AI, these all things. It provided. See this, real world applications of AI. Healthcare, finance, everyday life. This is what we are in now. Crazy, crazy, right? Advantages of AI. Challenges, the future of AI. This is what it is. It created how much time it is taking? Just a matter of less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. Now see, the same thing now, even if I want to present not just a basic way, I want to even spotlight or I want to modify this PPT or I have a something already document in my hand. I want to change that document with like this. Or I have some website. I want to just use that website content to create one presentation. There are a lot of options, not the simple option. I can generate with one simple prompt. I can generate with already if I have a text. Let's say you have already meeting of minutes, right? Just now completed in one meeting and then you have that MOM, meeting of minutes. And then you want to create some presentation based on that. You can provide that. Or if you want something, if you have a URL, then you want to generate some PPT. It takes less than 5 minutes. Is it useful now? Yes or no? Not only this tool, there are multiple tools. We are not touching one tool. I will show you multiple tools for multiple use cases. So less than 5 minutes is taking to create presentation. Why we need to spend 2 hours of time? It is not required now. See how much efficiency it is creating. And then also we think that if you completed in 5 minutes instead of 2 hours, and then see the time, how much time you are saving it. Not only this, right? It's not about only presentation. Everything. Let's say, for example, like for all your Gmails, I want to reply automate email. Or for example, I think everyone use LinkedIn, right? For LinkedIn, for every LinkedIn post, I don't want to reply, but I want to reply like me, how I'm replying. Means I don't want to type manually, but automatically one AI agent should reply for that. For every post, I want to reply with a professional text, whatever the summary they provided, right? Okay, we will discuss those all things. Now, for example, I'll take one YouTube video, Durga sir video. Let's say, for example, DURGASOFT Java. Many people, Java, it is very difficult. Yes or no? Java is very difficult, and everyone think there is a lot of coding in that. Now I'll take one video here.
You may ask, what does best
See this,
making?
what I'm trying to do.
It means always.
If you ask someone about in-demand career paths, you'll often hear
Let me skip this ad. Okay. So this is the Durga sir video, session 1 on CoreJava
Topic in SCJ.
with the OCJP and SCJP. Okay. What I'm trying to do, assume that, okay, this is a lengthy video here, more than 1 hour, 1 hour, 16 minutes video. But I don't have time that much to watch. I don't have time that much to watch this video, but I want to know what is there in this video now. I want to understand each and every step from this video. You can simply copy this link here. See, I'm copying it. And I'm going for some different one here, right? And then see, let me stop my screen share sometime. And then again, I'll share it. And then I'll show you how this will generate within a minute with a short description. Means it will give you the complete content, but very short explanation. You can understand easily that. I'll show you. I'll share again. Okay, is my screen visible now? Type here in the chat box. Just type Y if it is visible. Type Y here in the chat box. My screen visible? Yeah, okay. So I copied one link here, and then I want to just ask this URL. I want to provide that URL here, and then I want to ask like, okay, what is that actually contains that web? It is very easy, can create here using with these tools. So I don't want to share everything now, but I'll explain this all things. Or that is one use case. Or I want to share something like, okay, assume you are actually doing some real-time use case now, and then I want to know what is that about. I can share my screen here, screen share option I have, and then I can ask this, okay, what is this video is doing? Means, see, just listen here. Hey, can you hear me?
Hello, how can I help?
Okay.
Yes, I can.
I have shared one video here, and then can you see what it is actually here, this video?
Yes, I can see a video of a person preparing food in a kitchen. It looks like they're
No.
making some.
Okay, just, I think you are not seeing my video properly. 1 minute again, I'll share this screen. I need to share entire screen here.
All right, I can see your screen now. What would you like to show me?
Yeah, I'll share it one more time.
I am now seeing a video of someone preparing food again. It looks like a cooking demonstration.
So again, I'm sharing the screen. See, just a minute.
Yes, I can see your screen again. It seems to be showing the same video as before. What specifically are you trying to show me?
See, we are actually live talking with the AI now, and you'll get idea how actually this AI in our day to day, how it actually, I want to share entire screen. That is the reason I stopped. Okay, now again, I'm sharing it now.
Okay, I can see your screen now.
Yeah, here we go. Okay, so tell me which screen I shared now. What is this video about?
The video on your screen is titled CoreJava with OCJP, Language Fundamentals Part 1, Java Identifiers and Reserved Words. It seems to be a tutorial about Java programming.
Oh, is it? How you know that?
I can see the title of the video on the screen.
Okay, tell me here, okay, this is the one, right? Video I have shared. And do you know about this like a YouTube channel? Which YouTube channel it is?
Yes, the YouTube channel is called DURGASOFT Software Solutions, and it looks like it has over 845,000 subscribers.
Wow. See this?
anything
845,000 subscriptions. That means 8 lakh subscription about this. It provided complete information about this video, complete information about this channel. Even I have actually maximized this video, but how it actually check that. Now assume you are doing something and then you are doing some task now. Let's say you are writing some program and then you need some help. Immediately you share the screen and then ask help. It will give you the solution. It's a mind blowing, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Ping me in the
it's
chat.
quite
Ping me in the chat. Ping me in the chat. So if you
all right.
really like this, it's a very crazy thing now. Whatever you share the screen, then ask. Let's say, for example, you are preparing some Excel sheet. You don't know the formula. Share the screen and then just say, this is what I'm doing. I need help.
For getting help quickly.
Not only that, it will create a podcast. See, it already created. I'll stop this screen share. Now, multiple screen shares, right? I'm doing our screen share and then this screen share. I'm stopping here, live stream. And then see whatever actually it explained, it is coming with what one voice. See this? If you really like this, it's a very crazy thing now. Everything, whatever in the live I shared, the voice it recorded, it's a podcast. You can use that voice for any purpose if you want. Let's say, for example, assume that okay, you want to start some YouTube channel, but you think that okay, maybe you are thinking like I don't want to provide my voice, or maybe I don't want to show my face, but I want to start my YouTube journey. How can I create that voice? From where can we create? Where can we create a video? That is very simple. Very simple, I can say. See now, for example, there are a lot of tools, but I'm just presenting here only one tool at this moment. So I'm just trying to open something and then I'm trying to write something text here. Let's say, for example, okay, I'll give you now one simple script here. I'm just giving one simple script. So this is AI tools demo. I'm explaining about AI and use of AI tools. Just I'm writing this, okay, just a very basic. What I want to do, this text I want now immediately as a voice, right? Now see here, I'm just clicking on this play. That's it. I'm clicking on this play.
This is AI tools demo. I am explaining about AI and use of AI tools.
See, no matter how much content you provide, you just copy paste that content and then it generates voice. You can download that. You can use for any videos, everything you can do. Now it is a,
This is AI tools demo. I'm explaining about AI and use of AI tools.
maybe assume that, okay, this voice not like, we can change the voice. Let's say I'm trying to change this voice and then I want to go with something, maybe bedtime story. I want to use that. Like the, you know, see, we know that, for example, okay, now you need to understand this very clearly. We are communicating here. It's a human communication. We are communicating using with what? Some language. It's a human language. High level language we call it as, right? English is a high level language. We are communicating with English. But the same thing, we also know that if you want to communicate computer understands only zeros and ones. So that is the reason we actually write programming languages like Python, Java, like that. But this is a AI now. It's not programming languages days now. It's gone. It's real. It's gone. If you want, I'll tell you how to write your complete code. You give me any task, I'll give you that within a maximum time 5 minutes. Maximum time I'm talking. We will discuss that type of, the tools in our sessions. If you want to write your coding, how we can do that coding with tools without knowing your, actual skill, right? Okay, now here, if you want to communicate AI, we use a prompt. So that is the reason prompt engineering is very much famous, right? Prompt engineering is nothing but what? It's not basic. It's not like, how we are interacting with ChatGPT daily, day to day. No, that is not the way. But if you know how to give the prompt properly, more efficiently, and then it will give you the result also the same way. It is about how you provide the prompt. This is not actually the prompt. It is just a very basic level. I'm just writing as it is. If you want to communicate AI, you must aware of prompt. So we will discuss even in our batch, in our training here, what are the different types of prompts available, how we can provide more efficiency to the AI tool. Like maybe I saw that everyone using ChatGPT, but for the ChatGPT, if you provide proper prompt, how the output you will get, that you should know, right? So this all actually what the prompt, how we are providing, based on that we'll get the result.
This is AI tools demo. I am explaining about AI and use of AI tools.
See, this is a different voice now. And then I'm trying to change this to different voice again. And then just see here.
This is AI tools demo. I am explaining about AI and use of AI tools.
Male voice now, right? Do you think this is useful or not? Just type in the chat box. Yes or no? So not only just creating this simple, like, the text with the voice, right? We'll also understand how we can do the video. See, what we need to understand. So how actually we plan for these sessions. So these sessions actually, we plan for 20 hours. First week, you'll get all the content from DurgaSoft. So first week, we will try to understand each and everything. Next level, okay, each and everything. We will discuss the prompts, how we can provide for the tools. Not only ChatGPT, we will see a lot of tools we have. Like we have a different tools. We have a Perplexity, very much famous now. It's a Indian CEO, right? Perplexity. I'll tell you in the coming sessions how you can use Perplexity freely without paying any rupee, the pro account, with some conditions. Okay. So you can use directly pro account. It is 17,000 rupees per annum subscription, but you'll get free with some conditions. We'll discuss that. So first week we'll discuss more about text to text. Means you are giving some text and then we'll expect some result. It can be anything. It can be like you are asking something about yourself. Like I said that, right? You will see in the next session something elevator pitch, how we can introduce ourselves. So text to text, we should be very clear if you are good in prompts, and then you'll get the proper result. Now, for example, see here. I want, okay, I'm just giving one simple prompt here. I want this now, AI. I don't know about AI, but I want to understand this AI very simple way to explain like 10-year student. For 10-year students, how you explain? It is very basic way we explain, right? I'm writing something, see here, ELI 10, explain about AI. Text me here, anyone aware of ELI 10? Text me here. Anyone aware of this ELI 10? Anyone aware of this ELI 10? If no, just type N. Yeah. So what is ELI 10? ELI 10 is explain like I am 10. That is the meaning. This is a shortcut. Explain like I am 10. And then what is A? See this. ELI 10 is explained like I am 10. And then see it is giving for 10th. For example, if student 10 years old kid, you are explaining this now AI, very smart robot friend, then see how it is explaining in detail. This is a prompt. You should know how to use this prompt. Or maybe I'm really 20 years of experienced person and then I want to use this as a 20 years. Act like 20 years experience AI engineer and then explain AI. See this? The prompt change now. This is act like. Act like. There are different types of prompts we should know. If you know the prompt, how we can use, then you'll get the answer also from AI the same way. That is text to text we will understand first week. And second week, we'll also try to understand text to maybe like image, how we can create. Image creation. I want to create some image. Maybe you are doing some projects and then you want to create some beautiful images and then add in the PPT. Or maybe you want to generate some beautiful images for your kids or for you or for your, whatever like you like the people. You want to generate that. Not only that, you want to generate the image with Mahesh Babu or Prabhas or Virat Kohli. You name it any person, he can generate that with your photo with the combination of what? Your photo and then your side like beside like, the Mahesh Babu or Prabhas photo. You can generate that. That everything prompts. So we'll do that. Okay, text to image. And then third week, what we will actually understand here, we'll also discuss more about text to voice. How we can create actually voice. There are a lot of tools for that again. So how we can download that voice and how we can use that. And then fourth week, we will also see how we can create videos. So this is either text to video or providing something like, providing something image and then the image should talk with our text. So I want to provide some text and then voice and then saying that, okay, speak like a human. So how we can do that? So this is the overview, but there are a lot of things. If you want, you can create a song. There are a lot of tools for that, how to create your song, like your name you can create or any other names you can create. The similar way, if you want to create presentations, beautiful presentations, there are a lot of tools we will cover here again. Or how many people you want to develop your English generally? If you want to develop in English communication, again we have a tool here, free tool. You can record your video and then just upload that, and then it will give you the grammar connection, the grammar corrections and all, and then it will also suggest that okay, this is how you speak. Everything about AI now. So it's like your guru now, right? So this is what actually here we are going to cover complete the course content. So we will see more about practical use cases. Not only these four, just a basic idea I provided here. You'll get the content from DurgaSoft. Okay, you can connect to the team and then you'll get it. So we will discuss more about LinkedIn, for example, LinkedIn optimization, how you can actually develop your profile. Let's say, for example, nowadays we are getting all the, even the calls are what we can say, like the messages in LinkedIn chart itself, like we are getting a lot of things like job referrals and all. But it is completely based on how your profile is. We will discuss that. And if you want to apply job, it's not about job just uploading resume, just a standard resume from Xerox Center, taking that profile and then modifying that. No, right? It's gone. It's gone now. So we don't have that luxury nowadays since AI entered already. So you should write that using with AI more efficient way. So we will see how this, like, see, we know, for example, can anyone tell me how this generally the profiles will shortlist? Anyone, any idea about that? Any idea about that? Any idea? Anyone knows about ATS? ATS. Yeah, exactly. Venkat, correct. Awesome. It is based on ATS, right? So ATS is a applicant tracking system. Whenever if you upload your profile, it is not based on your skill. It is based on first filtering ATS, that is tracking applicant tracking system. It automatically read your resumes. It will match the keywords, job descriptions. It will filter the candidates. Don't think that, directly HR is reading the resume. Don't think that. It's not doing like that. It is completely ATS. First ATS it will filter and then it will go to the HR. So if you write your resume based on this ATS style, so how we can actually develop or how we can prepare that profile, how we can, like ATS shortlist, if you write your own profile, that we will understand. So I'm not saying only these 4 weeks, like covering this text to text and the text to images, text to voice, or text to video. There are a lot of other things here, a lot of use cases, a lot of practical things we are going to apply, we are going to learn. One profile shortlisted, and if you complete that, the job interview, then you think that how much, like, you'll get a lot of packages, or we can say, or whatever, like that skill is different, but first of all the profile should shortlist. So that we will do here, right? So there are a lot of things we will discuss like that. So I hope it is clear now. So any questions? Yeah, we'll also unmute. I don't know whether I have the option for unmute option for everyone. Let me check. Maybe we'll stop the recording and then I'll give you